So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to solve 10th standard science chemistry question paper Karnataka board 2022 question A. So part B question paper, part B question main is chemistry. Multiple choice question they asked. 2 questions, 1 mark, you'll get 2 marks. Okay. First question they asked is the gas liberated at the cathode in the electrolysis of water is oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, or nitrogen. So the gas liberated at the cathode in the electrolysis of water is hydrogen. The second question they asked is atomic number of chlorine is 17. The period number of the element in the modern periodic table is 2743. So atomic number of the chlorine is 17. The periodic number of the element of this element, that is chlorine, is in the modern periodic table is 3. Next, 8 main. Answer the following questions. 4 questions they will be giving. 1 marks for each question. You will get 4 marks. 16 question they ask state modern periodic table. Properties of elements or periodic function of their atomic number. Next 70th question they asked write any 2 uses of plaster of Paris. So plaster of Paris, it is used for supporting fractured bones, making toys, decorative materials, making smooth surfaces. For these things the plaster of Paris is used. Next 18th question they asked write the structure formula of ethene molecule. So the structure formula of ethene molecule is CH2 double bond CH2. So here like this, it is the structure formula. Next 19th question they asked is ZNO plus C gives Zn plus CO. So in this reaction name the reactant that is oxidized and that is reduced. So oxidized reactant is in this ZNO plus C is C, and reduced reactant is ZNO. Okay. Next, answer the following. That is 9th. Answer the following in 3 marks. 3 questions they will be giving 2 marks. 6 marks will get. 20th question they asked is the pH value of PABC solution on 5, 6, and respectively. Which of these solution is more acidic in nature and why? So solution A is more acidic in nature because A has more H plus ion, so that's why it is acidic in nature. Next 21st question they asked is draw the diagram to show the arrangement of the apparatus used for testing the conductivity of salt solution and label graphite rod. So here this is a graphite rod they are asked to label. So this is the testing the conductivity of a salt solution. So here solution is there, and here 2 rods, graphite rods, here where it is connected to key, then a bulb. I start key a bulb, battery, and again second graphite node is connected. So 1.5 marks for diagram and half marks for labeling the things they are asked. Next 22nd question they asked is give reason. A, that is metal are used in making cooking vessels. B, sodium metal is stored in kerosene. Or they asked another question that is give reason. A, when a calcium metal reacts with water, the liberated hydrogen gas does not catch fire. Or question. Or B, they asked is ionic compound having high melting and boiling points. So first question they asked, the answer is metals are used in making cooking vessels because metals are good conductor of heat and having high melting point or probability of malleability. So that's why it is used for making cooking vessels. Next, sodium metal is stored in kerosene. So sodium metal is stored in metal. It is a vigorously reacts with atmosphere of oxygen and water. So but not with kerosene. So that's why sodium metal is stored in kerosene, but not in. It is left in with oxygen and water. Next, our question they asked is give reason. A question when a calcium metal reacts with water, the liberated hydrogen gas does not catch fire. The reaction of calcium with the water is less violent, so that's why the heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen, so that it will not catch the fire. B question they asked is ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points because a considerable amount of energy is required to break the strong inter-ionic bond or between ionic attraction between the ionic compounds. So that's why that bond we cannot be break. Next, 10th main 3 question, 3 marks each question, 9 marks you'll get. 23rd question they asked is what is the atomic size, and in the modern periodic table the atomic size decreases along a period and increases down the group, and why we have to explain. So the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost cell of an isolated atom is the modern periodic table. 1 marks you'll get. Next, in modern periodic table, atomic size decreases along the periodic size because electrons are being added to the outermost cell of an atom that tends to pull the electrons closer to the nucleus. So no new shells are added to the atom. So atomic size of the atomic size increases down the group because new shells are being added. This increases the distance between the outermost electrons and the nucleus. So that's why the atomic size increases down the group. Next 24th question they asked is draw the diagram of arrangement of apparatus to show the reaction of the zinc granules with the dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning. And also you have to label some of the following parts like zinc granules, delivery tubes. Okay, this is the diagram you have to draw. Here see. So zinc granules, so in the test tube, in that stand the test tube is there, you can see in that zinc granules are there, and delivery tube is there where it is going to the water, and here bubbles are coming. So these two you have to mention. So for mentioning half of marks you will get 1 marks mentioning, and 2 marks for drawing, so therefore you will get 3 marks. Next 25th question they asked is write the chemical balanced chemical equation for the following chemical reaction, that is calcium carbonate heat gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide.